Hello and welcome to the lesson. The subject is Advanced Financial Management. Today we continue with the topic mergers and acquisitions. In our last session we discussed the meaning of mergers, the meaning of acquisitions, the types of mergers and so on. In today's lesson we will focus our attention on the defense tactics against hostile takeover. Hostile takeover, defense tactics against hostile takeover. But first of all, what do we mean by hostile takeover? Hostile takeover candidates is essentially when one company attempts to acquire another company against the wishes of the shareholders and management. Against the wishes of the shareholders and management, where one company makes an attempt to take over another company or to acquire another company against the wishes of the shareholders and the management. That's what we refer to a hostile takeover. Understand? Against the wishes of the board of directors and the shareholders. And there are various aspects of a hostile takeover. And the core characteristic is that the target company's leadership does not want to be acquired. Where the target's leadership does not want to be acquired, then we term that as a hostile takeover, what we refer to as unwanted takeover, unwanted acquisition. Where the target does not want to be taken over by the predator. Do you understand? Bypassing management. So instead of negotiating with the company's leadership or with the company's board, the acquiring company may go directly to the target shareholders. Because ideally, the predator has to engage with the management. But the acquirer may bypass the management and go direct to the shareholders. And there are various methods of acquisition. There are various tactics that the predator may use, like the tender offer. Tender offer. There are various tactics that the predator may use, like the tender offer. The tender offer. Here, the acquiring company makes a public offer to buy shares directly from the target company's shareholders, often at a premium. At a premium. That is one characteristic of one tactic or strategy that the acquirer may use when taking another company with against the wishes of the shareholders and management, making a tender offer at a premium to the target's shareholders. That's one method. Another method could be what we call proxy rights. Proxy rights. Proxy rights. Now here the acquiring company attempts to persuade the target company shareholders to vote out the existing management and replace them with a new team that will approve the acquisition. Proxy fights. Proxy fights. Not rights, but fights. Proxy fights. You understand? This is a strategy that the predator may use in taking over another company without or against the wishes of the leadership. Proxy fights. The predator, the acquiring company, attempts to persuade the target shareholders to vote out the existing management, board of management, and replace them with a new board that will approve the acquisition and in essence candidates in essence. A hostile takeover, in essence, a hostile takeover is a corporate power struggle. It is a corporate power struggle where the acquiring company seeks to gain control of the target company despite its resistance. The shareholders may try to resist, the management may try to resist, but the acquirer puts up a fight to take over the company despite resistance.